Good afternoon, ma'am. So today I will do the body measurement, which is we have horizontal, vertical, and circumferential. The first one we will do is horizontal using the inch. So first is shoulder to shoulder. Then second is shoulder to neck. Then third is bust to bust. Then upper bust. Then also the lower bust. Then lastly, fall back. So for now, we will proceed to the vertical. Shoulder to bust. The first one is shoulder to bust. Shoulder to bust. Then shoulder to waist. Then third is down center back, which is nasa gitna talaga siya, ma'am. Then sleeve length. Sleeve length. It depends kung saan mas gusto ng customer. Or dito ba? Sino magpapatay dito or dito? If ever pants, ma'am, dito po sa pinakatuli ng paa, or if skirt din naman, lower knee or upper knee. So, cross watch, which is zipper. Dito sa puso, hanggang ganyan. Ganito ma. So the last D is circumferential. The first one is bust to bust, which is pa-circle na siya. Nipple. Then waist, which is waist. Then hips. Hips. Then sleeve hole. Then sleeve hole. Then biceps. Then elbow. Upper arm hole. Then leg hole. Leg hole. Dito sa baba. Either maluwag or na. That's all, and thank you.